Yeah, dear students, I'm going to explain the number of solutions. This is the most important concept. If you take any entrance exam, minimum one question should be there. Related number of solutions. Now here, the number of roots of the equation mod cos mod x equal to x plus mod x. Here mod x less than or equal to 2 pi. They are asking the number of solutions of this equation. We should solve this equation. Here you think about when you think about solve this equation, I can write mod x means, so suppose x greater than 0, then we get mod x is equal to, we get x greater than or equal to 0, mod x is equal to x. In this case, the function will become, you can see positive means you will get mod cos x is equal to, it becomes x plus x, it will be 2x, mod cos x is equal to 2x. Since when they have taken mod cos x is equal to 2x, you can always observe here, whenever mod cos x is equal to 2x, I got this one, when x is equal to x, mod cos x is equal to 2x. We will see the possibility of mod cos x and 2x. What are the possible solutions of these two I will explain. Mod cos x is equal to 2x. Same time if I take x less than or equal to 0, you will get mod x equal to minus x. Then you will get mod cos of minus x equal to, you get x minus x, that will be 0, right? We will get mod cos x equal to 0, it comes here. We can find mod cos x equal to 0. See, from this I can write mod cos x equal to 0. So this implies cos x equal to 0. So we can think between here mod x less than or equal to 2 pi means, what is the meaning of this here? I can write minus 2 pi less than x less than 2 pi equal to those values. When cos x equal to 0, what are the possible values of x? I can write x equal to, I will get the values of x, the possible values of x you can write minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. Why? Because they are given x negative, right? When x less than or equal, I can write x less than 0 I have taken, greater than or equal to 0 I have taken. When x less than 0, mod x equal to minus x. In that case, since this is a negative, I can get only negative values satisfying this. Satisfying this, I can take it only two negative values will be there. Now, if you think of the graph of cos x, you think about the graph of cos x. Think of the graph of cos x. So, if we take the graph of cos x, you can see here the values I can consider. The graph of cos x, when you are drawing the graph, passing through the pi by 2, you can write here. This is minus pi by 2. Pi by 2. I can write the point pi by 2. Pi and 3 pi by 2. I can extend the line, right? 3 pi x dash. If I take in the value here, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. So that we know the graph of maximum, I can consider the graph of this one. Sin 180 will get cos, we are talking about the graph of cos x, I am talking about the graph of cos x. So when you are talking the graph of cos x, just you can go through this. The graph of cos x passing through this. I can write the graph of this one. We can write at this 3 pi by that will be 0, right? You will get 3 pi by to 0. Cos 180 minus 1 down. Suppose you take this is minus 1, this is 1. The graph it will come like this, right? Pi by 2 0. Cos 180 also minus 1. It will go like this, right? The graph will come like this. Correct. Cos 2 pi is maximum. Cos 2 pi is 1. It will go like this. Same thing, right? I can draw the graph like this. Graph is going like this, right? The values are, I draw the graph, the possible graph of cos x. The graph of, this is graph of cos x. Now you can see, when I have taken, when x greater than or equal to positive case, mod x equal to x. So mod cos x equal to 2x. This is 2x, this is cos x graph. If we take 2x graph, so this is y equal to 2x. This is the line y is equal to 2x. That means mod cos x means positive side. In this case, 2x, it cuts only 1 point. The graph intersects only 1 point. Between 0 to pi by 2, one solution we have. Between 0 to pi by 2, one solution we have. This is one solution. and minus pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 we have, this is one solution and this is one solution. So total we have three solutions. Understood here? The graph cuts y equal to 2x, this is y equal to 2x, because the intersection of these two gives 1 point. Y equal to 2x intersects only one, between 0 to pi by 2, it intersects at 1 point. So this is one, so total the right mark gives three solutions. So number of solutions is equal to 3. I can mark here number of solutions is equal to 3. That is the required number of solutions. Thank you. See you in the next video like similar problems.